Hi, this is Nelly Reed, and today's lesson I'm going to explain how I prepare my favorite snack. First of all, I'm going to use Philadelphia cheese. I have here some tostadas and 2 slices of turkey ham. First, you will need to put some Philadelphia cheese to the tostadas. Use a knife and put some of your tostadas. You see? You can put a little bit or a lot. When you finish, you put the slices or 1 slice of turkey ham. Put some cheese to the other tostadas. You see? And the other slice of turkey ham. And now you have a hamburger of Philadelphia cheese and turkey ham. This is my favorite snack. What is your favorite snack?